Molly, my aunt gave me a book about natural habitats. There are so many of them in the world.
Yes, each habitat is special and hosts different animals and plants. Which one is your favorite?
I really like the savanna.
Why?
Because there are vast expanses of grass with few trees and incredible animals, like lions, giraffes, and elephants.
That's true. I like the plains.
In the plains there are wide open spaces, and you can find rivers and lakes.
Wild horses run freely, and foxes live there too.
Look at that.
Is a beach a natural habitat too?
Sure, it can be sandy with shells or rocky with stones. By the sea you can find crabs and seagulls.
How nice! I prefer sandy beaches.
And then there are the hills, which are not as high as mountains, but are full of flowers.
What animals live in the hills?
You can find animals like rabbits, squirrels, and butterflies.
Tell me about the mountains.
Mountains are at high altitudes, often over 1,000 meters, and the temperatures can be very low.
And the terrain?
The terrain is rocky and steep, often covered in snow.
I love the mountains, but the sea is also a wonderful habitat.
Lots of colorful fish, dolphins, and even sea turtles live there. Do you know how many oceans there are in the world?
How many?
5. The Pacific Ocean is located between Asia, Australia, and the Americas. The Atlantic Ocean is located between the Americas, Europe, and Africa. The Indian Ocean is located between Africa, Asia, and Australia. The Arctic Ocean is located around the North Pole. And finally, the Antarctic Ocean is located around Antarctica.
But that's incredible.
True, but did you know that there is also a very special habitat? The volcano. Some animals and plants can survive near lava, like certain types of lichen and insects.
Wow! And then there is a desert, where it is very hot during the day and cold at night. Camels, snakes, and scorpions live there.
Let's not forget the jungle and the forest. They are full of tall trees and animals like monkeys, parrots, and tigers.
How nice! I want this book too.
Don't worry, I'll give it to you for your birthday, Molly.